Hey, but that basketball jersey though.
Hey, what's going on everybody? YouTube, Kennedy here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a basketball jersey from scratch. As you can see, this is the one I made from the tutorial. Got the Picasso print in the front, gotta keep it artsy, and then you got the jersey material in the back, gotta keep it cool, summer's coming up. But anyways guys, let's just get straight into the tutorial.
Here's everything you're going to need for the tutorial. Starting with the tools, you're going to need your standard cutting tools and pins. For the materials, you're going to need bias tape, 1 yard of fabric of your choice, 1 yard of cotton knit, and the tank top that fits you well. That's everything you're going to need. First, we're going to be cutting the fabric out that we're going to be using for the jersey. Lay the main fabric on the ground or somewhere nice and flat, then lay the cotton knit material on top of that. Finally, lay the tank top on top of both fabrics. Next, we're going to pin the tank top through both fabric layers so it's easier to cut. Use the diagram in the top left of the screen as a reference. After you're done pinning, grab a pair of scissors and cut a 1-inch allowance around the tank top. Once you're all done, you can remove the tank top from the 2 pieces of fabric and you should end up with 2 identical pieces. Next, we're going to make a U-cut on the front piece so we can stick our heads inside the jersey. You can use the tank top as a reference that we used earlier. Just place it on top of the front piece, fold it downwards and pin where the end of the neckline is, or you can eyeball it like me. Once you figure that out, you can proceed to cutting out the U-like shape. Next, we're going to piece the jersey together. Grab the back piece, have the right side of the fabric faced up, grab the front piece and have the fabric face down. Now you want to grab some pins and pin it in these marked areas. When pinning these pieces together, make sure that everything is nice and flat to prevent any problems. Next, you want to set your machine to zigzag or overlock stitch. Then you can proceed to sew along the pinned area. Remember to start and end with a back stitch. Next, we're going to add the bias tape to the armholes and the neckline to hide the raw edges. Turn the t-shirt right side up, place the bias tape right on the raw edges and pin them into place. Once the ends meet up, you can simply overlap them and cut off the excess material. When you're done with all the pinning, it should look something that looks a bit like this. Take it to your sewing machine and do a straight stitch along the bias tape. Remember to start and end with a back stitch. The last thing to do is hem the bottom of the jersey, turn the t-shirt inside out, fold the bottom twice and pin it into place. This is what it should look like when you're all done. Take it to your sewing machine and straight stitch along the bottom area. Once you're done with everything, you can now try on your new basketball jersey. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I will also be taking tutorial requests via AskFM. So if you guys want me to do a certain tutorial, be sure to send me an AskFM question. But anyways guys, this is Ken Andrew Daily and remember to keep it daily. Peace!